Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home for all things home decor. If this is your first time here, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can become part of our home decor family. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today's video is going to focus on a green living room. It's something that we don't see nearly enough, but is one of the most royal and regal and dark and moody and beautiful sights that you can see in a home. We have so many different styles of rooms here, from the super bright with a light color green to a deeper, darker, richer green. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Don't forget to comment down below which one of these rooms that you have seen so far that is your favorite. I have so many favorites right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss a video. Alright guys, so I definitely hope you all have enjoyed the video. Once again, comment down below your favorite room out of all of these. I said I was going to start showing you my favorite, so I will go ahead and add it in at the end. I hope you guys have an amazing, productive day. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I told you I would show you my favorite room, and this is it. There's something about green and white and gold that just really speaks to me. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye friends.